In this video, we're going to do the integral of x squared over x plus the square root of x dx. So we're going to let u be the square root of x. That will make x be u squared. So dx will be 2u du. So that will be our substitution. This will be the integral. X squared will be u squared squared, which is u to the fourth, over x will be u squared plus square root of x, which is u. And then dx will be 2u du. We can divide by u on top and bottom, leaving us with the integral of 2 u to the fourth over, now we're going to have u plus 1 when we divide by u, which we're going to write the 2 on the outside. Okay, so u to the fourth minus 1 is factorable as u squared minus 1 and u squared plus 1. And u squared minus 1 is factorable into u minus 1 times u plus 1. And guess what we have on the denominator? U plus 1. So we're going to subtract 1 and then add 1 to keep the same integral. So this will be 2 times the integral of u to the fourth minus 1 over u plus 1. So we have u to the fourth minus 1 over u plus 1, which will be u squared plus 1 times u minus 1. So we have that times u minus 1. And we're going to close the integral. And the other integral we're going to have is plus 1 times 2, which is plus 2 times the integral of 1 over u plus 1 du. Okay. So now we can distribute this out. So this will be 2 times the integral of u squared times u minus 1, which is u cubed minus u squared plus u minus 1. That will be the integral, and then plus 2 times, well, this integral is just ln of u, absolute value of u plus 1. And we know that u from before, so u is the square root of x. Okay. So now we're going to do the integration. So u cubed will be 1/4 u to the fourth minus u squared. The integral of u squared is 1/3 u cubed plus u, which is plus 1/2 u squared minus integral of 1 is u, and then we have plus, then we have 2 ln absolute value of u plus 1, and u will be the square root of x. So now we're going to substitute that in. So now this will be equal to, so let's multiply 2 across times everything, which will be 2 times 1/4 is 1/2. Instead of u, it will be x squared. So u equals square root of x means that x will be u squared. So we're going to square that again with u to the fourth. So now we have minus 2/3 u cubed, which will be square root of x cubed, which is x to the 3/2. And then we have 2 times 1/2. 2 times 1/2 will be 1. And u squared will be x. And finally we have 2u, which is the square root of x, plus 2 times ln, absolute value, of the square root of x plus 1. But because the square root of x is bigger than 0, bigger than or equal to 0, this will just be plus 2 ln of the square root of x plus 1, without the absolute value, and then plus c. And that is the end of the video. Hope you liked it.